Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss about cyber tools. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today in cyber tools we will talk about social networking sites. But before starting with social networking site, let's discuss what is the meaning of social networks. Network analysis is the keyword for the 21st century. Researchers, politicians, peoples talk about network around you. So how do you explain what network is? So let's take a look of network. So a set of nodes, points or locations connected by means of data, voice and video communications for the purpose of exchange. So it means if you are sharing your data resources, you are talking communication with each other at one place to another with the use of any medium. So this is called a network. So a network is very interesting and very useful. You can use them very easily, and nowadays complete world is connected with the help of network. So let's discuss about social networking site. Social networking is the use of dedicated website and application to interact with other users or to find people with similar interest to one's own. So social networking websites are very interactive, so you can find some people with the same interest. Like if you are interested in singing, so you can find some people who are a good singer, and if you are interested in acting, dancing, so you can find the same interest people and the experts. So social networking site, here are some examples of social networking site like Hi5, Orkut, Facebook, Blog, MySpace, Twitter and many more. So as you are already using some social networking site in your day-to-day life, so let's take about the good points of social networking site. So social networking site made communication much easier. You can easily communicate from one place to another very easily. You don't need to buy any plan especially to communicate with, and they don't take any charges. You can use any social networking site by just using your internet connection. So friends and family now have a quick, cheaper way of keeping in touch, making important relationships easier to maintain. Nowadays everyone is busy in their life, so social networking site is a very good place where you can interact with your relate relation and you can communicate with them. So site help you keep in touch with friends you already have, but they also help you from new relationship. It means you can find new friends on social networking sites very easily. So this is a good point about it. People can find other who share the same interest or hobbies. So you can make new friends which are interested in the same hobby which you have. Bring together people from all different cultures and races, breaking down boundaries that may otherwise exist in everyday life. So it means you can interact with the people from other countries also. You can share your culture with them. You can ask them about their cultures. So it is a very good platform. These sites gives brand to build up a fan base and show their talents. So if you have a talent, so you can show or share your talent on social networking site. So people can watch your talent, people can like you. So you can make a fan base with the help of social networking sites. Sites can help you land a job. So let's talk about some bad points about social networking sites. People can use these sites to prey on the naive and vulnerable. Sensitive information like date of birth, address, marital status, jobs, all of this can be used against you by a fraudster. So as we use social networking sites, so many of us fill our detail on our social networking platforms. So anyone can use this detail against us, against you. So it is a bad point about social networking site. It is also easier for people to harass, stalk and bully you through these sites. So someone can comment on you. So this is harmful. People could invent fake businesses or product and advertisement them on social networking site in a bid to take your money. So as you are using social networking site, so every day you can see many fake ads on Facebook, on WhatsApp. So you have to protect yourself from fake advertisement, fake messages, because they can harm you mentally, they can harm you financially. So final thing, final judgment about social networking site is that the dangers with using social networking sites are very serious. In my opinion, they are good for our society as long as the correct precautions are taken. So you have to be careful when you are using a social networking site. However, when it comes down to whether social networking is right for you, that is something only you can decide using your own judgment and past experience. Before becoming a member of a social networking website, do your homework on what they have to offer, but also find out about the risk involved. So you have to be aware about the social networking site which you are using. So in my opinion, social networking sites are very good, but you have to be very careful and you have to be use social networking site in a positive way. So I hope it is clear. So students, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.